Welcome to this video on how to write Gherkin test scenarios using the behavior-driven development or BDD approach. Keep things simple. This is a phrase often heard by developers and testers. The BDD approach ensures clear communication between business and technical teams, leading to better software development. BDD stands for behavior-driven development. It's a software methodology derived from TDD and Agile that improves communication between stakeholders by using natural language. BDD is widely adopted because it improves communication, focuses on user needs, provides structured requirements, detects issues early, enables automation, and promotes collaboration. Gherkin is a plain English language used to document behavior in software development. It is easy to understand for all stakeholders and is supported by BDD tools like Cucumber. Gherkin uses specific keywords to structure test scenarios. These include feature for describing software functions, scenario for expected behavior, and given when then to define test steps. To write effective BDD test scenarios, start by defining the feature, use given when then to structure scenarios, and ensure expected outcomes are met. Let's take an example of a payment page. If a user enters an incomplete card number, the Proceed to Pay button should remain inactive. This scenario is structured using given when then. Similarly, other test scenarios include verifying if the button becomes active for a valid card number and checking if an error message appears for an invalid card. With the scenario outline keyword, we can run the same scenario with multiple sets of data, making testing more efficient. BDD offers several benefits, such as reusable steps, faster delivery, easy automation, and adaptability to changing requirements. However, BDD requires strong collaboration among teams and accurate implementation to deliver the best results. In summary, BDD simplifies software development through clear communication. Using Gherkin, teams can write effective test scenarios. At Testrig Technologies, we leverage tools like Cucumber and Appium to accelerate the testing process. Looking for expert BDD testing solutions? Contact Testrig Technologies today and enhance your software quality with our professional QA services.